Hi guys, welcome to Distracker channel. So guys, this is complete for email subscription form. So in this email subscription form, how will be create? So this is my channel. So who will be first? You can watch your videos. Please support us to like, share our subscribe video, and you can comment me any kind of questions you have doubt about that into the digital market. You can ask me. I definitely will be support on your website any kind of SEO or social media, AdWords, any kind of will be support and upload the video on the YouTube channel. So first of all, I'm discuss about that. I'm taking one of the website. In this website, how we can creating for email subscription form. That mean we can promote any kind of offers or anything. How we can promote from email subscription form. So in this one, here one of the website will be called convertful.com. In this website, we can creating for email subscription form. We can save the particular application. First of all, create an account by using email. So first of all, create the account. So when enter the create account, is asking for verify your account will be here. Just enter the code will be here and verify it. After verify, they enter the complete details. So enter the complete detail along with the password. Here you log in your account. Now here onwards you have to follow the steps will be very important. First, copy the URL, is HTTP or without HTTP. So your build platform, WordPress, BigCommerce, anything. So if you're not there, go for custom CMS. In this one, so your website purpose, blog, magazine, market advertising service, e-commerce, software, consumer goals, professional service, everything. I'm into the professional service, ad site. So this will be very simple step. And this code you can add by where your particular cPanel header file. Where particular cPanel header file. First of all, log in your cPanel. I'm gonna log in cPanel. Just copy the code. We can go to your website. This code we can done by the developers. No need worry about this. How we can place the code. So we can go to so here we can click for views. In this one, we have to selecting for your header file option will be here and update this one. After that, click for check connection. Connection is more important. It will be your site will be connected. You will be redirected to the widget in 5 seconds. Then mean by your code is valid on your particular website. So after adding the code, no need any verification required. The code is verification. How many widgets you can add, everything will be support. The widgets are here. One is called e-commerce website and magazine media, pop-up, scroll boxes, floating bar, welcome screen, inline widgets, banner, blank canvas, and special occasions. If you have any special occasion, you have to give the notice. The give notice will be here. Happy anniversary, special offer, everything. So now I'm give the pop-up offer. Pop-up offer will be give. I'll promoting for offers. I'm promoting for offer. Select the offer. In this offer, how to know this? We can go with any template. We can simple subscription pop-up. In this, I have to promoting for offer. So in this website, they give the 10% off each and every booking on the house painting. So that is the reason I have to use this 10% offer template. So here, select, create a pop-up. I'll give the step by steps. First, logo. Logo will be adding here. Just change your logo will be here. So I'm changing the logo. So upload logo will be direct URL will be here. Just click, copy email address and paste it. Sometime will be file not found. We can go to upload files will be here. Now going to upload files. Logo added here. Select logo will be here. Here. Enter email below to activate your offer, 10% off, enter email address here. So everything will be here. House painters. After that, 10% discount, enter email and activation form and activate your my bonus account. So here one option is there. Sir, where our activation will be done? This is first question. So there is a where you can add the subscription. That is only for based on offer. When get email, you get the pop-up will be backend. The email will be receive the coupon. So automatically the people will be connected with your email address and they will start your process. Who will be looking for your services? They're looking for discount. We can enter the email and activate your particular coupon code. The coupon code sent by the company members. So don't want any bonus. So here will be as. So you can will coupon code send on your mail. So coupon code send on your mail. You can apply for when vendor is coming to your location to start the painting. So here, after that, save changes. This design will be done. When coming to your website, what are the parameters? The visitor instant to your leave, a time, a page limit at least spend. So how much time will be spent the user? And the visitor scroll more than how much percentage of pages. So here I'll give this one. Just you can go for 1 second option will be given by the customers. Save change. Now click for activate your particular option. No need other code. The already code we can add by where? Header file. Just you can refresh. The people who will be coming to the page in time, they get offer will be 10%. Enter the email and it will be terms and condition and activate here. Suppose abc at the rate of gmail.com. Accepted. Terms and condition is there. No worry about that. And click this option and where you can get by email, come into this back, click for subscriber. The email receive will be here. We can select the email and export the complete information. You can send the coupon code to the particular customer. So once they will be refresh in this page will be open the particular file, any new user coming to your particular website. Now copy this one. I am login for incognito window. So form will be showing. So I'm writing for Gmail, accept, and this one. Now you have one question is there. So when you have give the terms and conditions, then the width gauge. Suppose if you want change any kind of options, so we can click this on here in this option we can to change here the accept terms and condition will be there in this what are the terms and condition will be here just we can unlink the links so link will be nothing is there so save changes accept terms and conditions so here the terms and condition here the option will be there so I have to close incognito window previous hyperlink is there we don't have any hyperlink so any people come into your website you get the pop-up will be here. So this pop-up will be activated by the here coupon code sent on your email. So we can activate on the particular platform to start your painting by discount of 10%. This discount will be given by the created by here nothing you can use everything created by where by the convertful.com. Use it and create the subscription form, email subscription form. So two people will be received and you send the emails on the particular customers. So this is the method we can follow to select the email confirmation subscription purpose, any other website. So this policy will be followed on each and every website to get the emails on your website to your particular option name is convertful.com website. Download it, send the mail customers by the coupon code. So the purpose applying everything can check. And if any widget you design, you can design n number of widgets depend on the option here. Welcome screen, you have to show any welcome screen here. So we'll be select your option here, join now, join our newsletter, get 10% off. Here every option will be there. So this all will be, we can creating for option will be in this particular option. So this is the method we have followed to activate any of the code on your particular website. This is the method we can follow by convertful.com to maintain this kind of template. You can design banner, everything will be happy to design the particular websites. No need knowledge of the coding, just one line code you can add the website. You can design n number of widgets to show your website, along with you can receive by email address people looking for any kind of offers. So follow this option. Anyone still doubt, you can ask me. I'll give the complete procedure by connecting with you with a complete offer will be given on your particular websites. So follow these instructions, create the email subscription form and get the emails to send your proposal to your customers. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel to Digital Rakesh.